Welcome back to PowerPoint Training Online. Today, another bite-sized Monday. We have in store for you how to quickly change the design of a team in your PowerPoint. So, when you open PowerPoint, first of all, you will see the Team Select screen. Now, you can choose from a plain blank presentation, or you can choose from a pre-made theme. Choice is entirely up to you, but for this exercise, let's choose this one parcel. So once I select this and create, I've now got my presentation and then I've got my slides with that template. But let's say I've picked one in a haste and I realized halfway through it, not going to suit what I'm talking about, or it doesn't suit our company structure, or what the message we're trying to give is not right with this particular template. It's really easy to change. What you need to do is go to the Design tab, making sure the slide is selected. You can then choose any pre-made template if you wish. From here you can also add in custom templates. So if you've made one yourself, you can press the browse for themes and then it will search through your file, your folder structure, and then you can upload your own personal one. So let's say for this instance I want to choose this one here. So you will notice in a moment that all the slides will change. It's not just that one particular slide. Now, another thing that we can do is sometimes, yes, you might like the look of the layout, but you might not like the color. So they do offer variants. So you see the top right hand corner up here on the Design tab, you can choose the variant. So again, they will offer you different colors. Okay, so then you can then change that to suit whatever way you want it to look like. That's it today, folks. Have a good day.